Good morning students, I am Mayank Tiwari. Today we will solve test number 23 of the General Agriculture series. Let's start. Please write down the number 1 to 10 in your paper sheet and at the end please evaluate your correct responses. Student, question number 1. Which of the following is used to extract nitrification inhibitor? You have to tell out of the following two crops, which of the following crop is used for extracting nitrification inhibitor? Option A, sugar beet. Option B, Beccaria humicola. So student, what will be the correct answer? C option number A, sugar beet. Sugar beet, you remember, it is important because it is sensitive to salinity at germination stage. I repeat, sugar beet is sensitive to salinity at germination stage. And the correct answer is B, Beccaria humicola. It is used for extracting nitrification inhibitor. And students, please remember, in the first step of nitrification, when the ammonia get converted to nitrite, there are number of bacteria like Nitrospira, Nitrocystis, and in the second step of nitrification, when nitrite get converted to nitrate, there is bacteria involved called Nitrobacter. Please student remember it. And students, question number 2, you see anion exchange capacity of montmorillonite. Option A, 5 centimole per kg. Option B, 40 centimole per kg. So student, please remember, anion exchange capacity of montmorillonite is 5 centimole per kg, and option number B, you see 40 centimole per kg. It is the anion exchange capacity of kaolinite. Please remember students, cation exchange capacity everybody remembers, but most of the time these people ask anion exchange capacity. So anion exchange capacity of montmorillonite is 5 centimole per kg, and this 40 centimole per kg is the anion exchange capacity for kaolinite. Question number 3, students, you see nitropyrin is used in option A, USA, option B, Japan, option C, both. Student, this nitropyrin is a nitrification inhibitor, students. So in USA it is used. In Japan we use nitrification inhibitor called AM, and in Germany, please remember here I do not have given the option Germany. In Germany, one nitrification inhibitor is used. It is called DCD. Please students remember these. In USA, nitropyrin is used. In Japan, AM is used, and in Germany, DCD nitrification inhibitor is used. Question number 4, students, you see sugarcane breeding station was stationed in Coimbatore in. You have to tell in which year sugarcane breeding station was started in Coimbatore. Option A, 1912, option B, 1929, option C, both. Student, before I answer this question, I told you 3 important institutes with regard to sugarcane. Sugarcane Breeding Institute, SBI, it is located at Coimbatore. Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research, it is located at Lucknow, and Indian Sugar Institute, it is located at Kanpur. So please students, these 3 students, these are very confusing. Please remember them. So here it is asking sugarcane breeding station. Student, 1929, what happened? 16 July 1929, your ICR came into existence, and in 1912, which is the correct answer, sugarcane breeding station was started in Coimbatore. Student, question number 5, you see it is very important and very confusing. Vernal equinox take place on option A, 21st June, option B, 22 December, option C, 21 March, option D, 23rd September. So students, please remember it. 21st June you have summer solstice, 22nd December we have winter solstice, 21st March we have vernal equinox, and 23rd September we have autumnal equinox. Please students remember these, do not confuse between them. And student, also remember that this Indian Standard Time passes through 82.5 degree east. It is passing through Allahabad. Please remember it. If you go to the east of that, you add, and if you go on the west of that, you subtract. So Indian Standard Time passes through 82.5 degree east. Please remember it. Student, question number 6, you see it is very important, has been often asked. Diffuse radiation is dash fraction of total radiation. You have to tell out of total radiation how much is diffuse radiation. What is the fraction of diffuse radiation in the total radiation? Option A, 0.42, option B, 0.65, option C, 0.50, option D, none. So students, all these options are very important here. Like direct radiation is 0.42 of fraction of total radiation, and the fraction of the diffuse radiation present in your total radiation is 0.65 and global radiation is 0.5. So students, please remember diffuse radiation is 0.42 of total radiation, sorry students, direct radiation is 0.42 of total radiation, and diffuse radiation is 0.65, and global radiation, students, it's 0.5. Please students try to remember them. These are very confusing and very important. So student, in this question diffuse radiation was asked from you. So diffuse radiation is 0.65. The fraction of diffuse radiation in the total radiation is 0.65. Please remember it. Student, question number 7 you see. Sunken screen evaporimeter was made by option A Dastan, option B Sharma, option C both. So student, answer is obviously both. Sunken screen evaporimeter, you remember, it was made by Dastan and Sharma. Student, question number 8 you see. Atmosphere contain -% water in form of cloud. Option A 98%, option B 2%. Student, this is very easy. All of you may be able to do it. You have to tell atmosphere contain -% of water in form of cloud. So atmosphere contain 98% water in form of water vapor and only 2% water in the form of clouds. Please students remember it. Only 2% water atmosphere contain in form of cloud, and this study of cloud is called nephology. This isotech is equal wind speed. Line joining equal wind speed is called your isotech. One is isoneph, line joining equal cloud cover, you remember, and one is your iso height. Iso height is the line joining equal rainfall. So students, please remember it, do not confuse. Student, question number 9 you see, it is again very confusing. Cyclone are called Bakayo in option A China, option B India or Australia, option C East Asia, Philippines, option D hurricane. So students, in which country cyclone are called Bakayo? You have to tell. So cyclone is a term which is given. What is cyclone? Cyclone are violent storm. They have given different names in different countries. So student, one thing you remember, center of cyclone is called I. The average diameter of cyclone I is 23 km. Please students remember it. And student, cyclone, like I was telling you, they have been given different name in different countries. Like cyclone are called typhoon in Eastern Asia and Philippines, and these violent storm are called cyclone in India and Australia. They are called hurricane in North America, and they are called Bakayo in China. So students, Bakayo is the correct answer to this question. Student, question number 10 you see, P minus PET upon PET into 100 is option A PE index, option D moisture deficit index. So student, PE index, you all know, it is given by Thornwitt. It is in effectiveness of precipitation index. Please remember it. And moisture deficit index is the correct answer to this question. P minus PET upon PET into 100. Moisture deficit index have some values. Firstly, remember in P is annual precipitation in centimeter, and PET is potential evapotranspiration. And this AICRP, All India Coordinated Research Project on Dryland Agriculture, they classified climate on the basis of moisture deficit index. So students, please remember it. It is very important. AICRP on dryland agriculture classified Indian climate according to moisture deficit index. Please students remember it. And the first classification of climate was given on the basis of vegetation by D. Kendall. Please students remember it. And student, this ICRISAT Hyderabad, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Topics, they use Troll classification. Please students remember this also. So student, according to the moisture deficit index classification used by AICRP on dryland agriculture, there are three type of climate: subhumid, semi-arid, arid. Subhumid climate is 0.02 to minus 0.33.3, semi-arid is minus 33.3 to minus 66.6, and arid is minus 66.6. If the value of moisture deficit index is greater than minus 66.6, then the climate is arid. If it is minus 33 to minus 66.6, it is semi-arid. And if it is 0 to minus 33.3, it is subhumid. Please students remember these terms. So students, that's all for today. Please evaluate your correct responses in the last. If you have any complaint with regard to any question, please message me. And in this case, if you find the video helpful, please share it with your fellow batchmates and other juniors so that all will be benefited. Thank you.